In an era of sophisticated cyber threats, detecting, responding, and mitigating vulnerabilities in real time is crucial. At SecurityBridge SAP Security Research Labs, we regularly uncover new zero-day vulnerabilities. Our experts swiftly analyze and isolate each vulnerability, assessing its potential impact on enterprise systems. Following the discovery, our research team publishes a signature update, which is immediately pushed to all customers, ensuring instant coverage across even the most extensive SAP landscapes. This update will trigger events in their event monitoring system when, for example, vulnerable unpatched SAP programs or function modules are executed. In the case of actively exploited or HotNews security patches, the SAP team, informed of the zero-day, publishes a critical security note with detailed mitigation steps. This information is distributed to all affected customers, providing guidance on necessary actions. Thanks to our patch management system, we identify all affected assets across the network. SecurityBridge then orchestrates the implementation of necessary patches. Our intrusion detection system monitors and verifies the patch implementation, ensuring the successful mitigation of the vulnerability. Automated actions, such as specific notifications or incident creation, are seamlessly triggered, ensuring that the threat is fully neutralized. You are now confident in your system's security and can focus on your work with peace of mind. This is how we stay ahead of threats, through rapid detection, automated response, and continuous protection. Get in touch to start securing your SAP systems today.